Hey everyone, welcome to TechWire. In this video, we are going to solve the problem number 15, threesome at Leetcode. So in this problem, we are going to find three triplets that sum to 0, and those triplets should not be duplicate values. Okay? So we will see the solution using the first example. So this is the first example given in the Leetcode website. So what is the brute force way of thinking about this particular problem? We can have three for loops and we can just iterate through, and we can just find out the particular three values that sum to 0. If I do that, first I will keep this as I and another one as j, and I will take another variable, another loop as k, and I will just iterate through each of the thing, and I will be getting that particular values, right? But here is a problem of duplicate elements. We will get the same triplets in the next iterations. So this is not the optimal solution, because it's going to take order of n square, order of n cube, and it's going to have duplicate triplets. So we will see the optimal solution in a second. So now I've sorted the array. So I've said in the previous video that before solving threesome, we need to solve the twosome, which is the input array is sorted. If you guys have done that particular problem, then this problem would be much more easier to solve. So here I've sorted the array. I'm going to solve this problem in order of n square. Okay, so how you are going to do it? First, I will keep one for loop as I, and then I'm going to have another loop of left and a right pointer. Okay, we know our input array is sorted, and what I'm going to do is, if my sum is greater than 0, then I'm going to push my r in this direction. So I'm going to reduce my r, and if sum is less than 0, I'm going to push my left pointer to the right. So I'm going to increase my left pointer. Okay, so her sum is nothing but num of I plus num of L plus num of R. Okay, this is what sum. And if I see a duplicate, for example here, so if I have the same element, I will check whether I've seen the element previously using another loop. Okay, then I'm going to eliminate the duplicate elements here, and this particular solution will take n log n since we sorted, an order of n square since we use two loops. Now we will see the code. So first I will sort the array. Okay, now we are having a result. Then I'm going to have a loop. I'm going to get the index and value using enumerate function from an array. And I'm going to check whether I've seen the element previously or not in the first element, ith element, okay? Nums I minus 1, the previous element. Then I'm going to continue. Else I'm going to take j and k, okay, I plus 1 len of nums minus 1, the last element, okay. Now while j and k, now I'm going to have the sum I'm taking the 3 elements, okay. Now I'm going to check if s greater than 0. If it's greater than 0, I'm going to decrease my k, okay. Yeah, if it is less than 0, I'm going to increase my j. Else, if I found the value, then I'm going to append. If it is 0, if the sum sums to 0, then I'm going to append those value triplets, okay. Here we can check whether, in order to avoid the duplicate values, I'm going to check here as well if j less than k and nums of j is equal to the previous value. If it is equal, this particular loop will execute. Now I'm going to return my result array. After appending it to the result, now we will, here again we will check the duplicates by increasing the left pointer. I'm again going to check, to make it much more efficient, the previous duplicate values. Now I'm going to return the result. It worked and looks much more efficient now. Yeah. So if you like my channel, please like and subscribe and share my YouTube links. Also see my previous videos. If you are not able to understand this particular solution, please put a comment in the comment section. I will be happy to answer your questions. Also check out my previous videos, which will be much more helpful before solving this particular problem. Thank you for watching. Happy learning. Have a good night. Take care. Cheers.